Right, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I do genuinely appreciate it. If you could help me out by dropping a like on the video, maybe subscribe, and any questions you've got, please leave them down below. I need to start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say should be taken as financial advice. It's purely my opinion on projects that I'm invested in. I want to talk about Cardano today because I've read an article where someone's calling the bottom on Cardano around 10 cents. So I'm going to go through the article and then look at the chart and come to my own conclusions and tell you what I think could be happening over the next few months. So, excuse my voice, I've still got a cold. I've had a temperature for the last few days. I don't know what's going on with me. Anyway, I like to start off by going through the market as a whole. The crypto market cap's at $859 billion. So it's slowly creeping up, not massively, but it's up. Yeah, so it's up by 0.83% today. We've got a 24-hour trading volume of $47 billion. Bitcoin dominance is down to 38.2%. Bitcoin itself is up to 17.1712. So yeah, it's up. 24 hours at 1.47%. The rest of the market, what's it looking like? Nothing massive. Oh, Doge is up nearly 30% this week. Yeah, it's a very, very slow recovery, but across the board it's fairly flat. There's nothing massive happening. If you go to the Cardano coin market cap page, it's currently trading at 31 cents, up 1.10% today. It's got a market cap of just under 11 billion. 24-hour trading volume of 237 million and a circulating supply of 34.45 billion. Cardano, you can see it's up slightly today from the low of 0.31, so it's up marginally. So this is the article I saw on a daily hodl. Here's where Cardano could bottom out according to Analyst Benjamin Cowen. Popular crypto analyst Benjamin Cowen says there's a real risk Cardano could drop significantly further. In a new YouTube video, Cowen tells his 778,000 subscribers that the Ethereum rival's bear market resistance band continues to provide resistance that ADA gets rejected from. The analyst also says Cardano is yet to plunge as far as it did during its first bear market. He says, the point I'm trying to make here is that Ethereum in its first cycle, in its first major bear market, dropped around 95% right, but ADA in its first bear market dropped almost 99% right. It was like 98.75%. So if ADA does have diminishing losses or something in this bear market, and say instead of dropping 98%, let's say one cycle behind Ethereum, let's suppose it drops 94 or 95%. A 95% drop from all-time high would put ADA between 10 and 20 cent rights. That's where it would ultimately put it, right? So he sees it going down to between 10 and 20 cents. So I've got to excuse my voice. I'm terribly blocked up. Anyway, carry on. Cowen says ADA could form a bottom between 10 and 20 cents sometime in 2023. Cardano is trading at 31 cents at the time of writing. The 9th ranked crypto asset by market cap is up more than 4% in the past 24 hours. It remains nearly 90% down from its all-time high of $3.09, which it hit in September 2021. Cardano is one of those projects that I'm loading up on at the moment. I think that this sort of price, not financial advice, I think it's a pretty decent price to accumulate at. But this guy seems to think, and I'm not going to disagree with him, I'm just going to give my own opinions, seems to think it's going to go further. So let's do a top-down approach to this show. Let's go to the monthly first. So on the monthly, we can see the all-time high was at just over $3. Put a big wick in there, and it's been steadily dropping ever since. So like steadily, there's been no signs of recovery. There was one green candle there, but it's just been down. So there's nothing looking good on the monthly. Let's go to the weekly. I'm just going to go to the monthly, check for any divergences. So there's that low there. No divergences. Let's go to the weekly. Again, from the high of just over $3. It's just been a steady decline. We've crossed below the 50. Crossed below the 100. The 100's now above the 50, which is bearish. So yeah, all things are pointing towards a decline. There is a bullish divergence in play though. A triple divergence if you look at it from this low here It's made oh no, then it's a double divergence low here, and this low here. There's a double bullish divergence. Plus, we've gone to positive momentum, which suggests a slightly bullish shift in sentiment, technically speaking. So his analysis that it could go to 10 could, you know, he probably knows better than me, but it's just my own opinions on how I look at the markets, how I view things. I'd suggest that things are likely to take a turn for the better in the not too distant future. So if we're moving on to the daily, we've still got the 100 above the 50, which is bearish. We've got so from this drop down here, there was a sell signal here had I wished to take it. We've made a new high there, closed below it, and broken below it the following day. The stop would have been placed. Oh, my cursor stopped. Above the high here. Come on, cursor. There you go. My high would have been placed here, and my stop would have been placed there. Entry there, and I'd have played for a 2-to-1, so I'd have had a stop up around there. And that's played out, but I don't day trade cryptocurrencies. What's going on here? Momentum is switching to positive. No divergences on the daily. If we look at the 4-hourly, nothing much there. It's just all chop, really. So I don't know how people can assume that it's going to drop. I know they look at things historically and draw these boxes on and say, this is what happened here, this is what happened there, and compare it to another crypto, but they're separate entities entirely. So my view that would be that we're pretty much in at the bottom as it is. You can see that on the hourly, there is like, what can we see here that might be of interest? There's no divergences across the highs. Nothing of much interest really. There was a bullish divergence there that closed inside the bands and pumped up as you would have expected it to. The 50's gone above the 100, which is like a slightly bullish signal. So on the lower time frames it does look more bullish, but as we're in a bear market and this isn't an exact science, you can see yesterday we put in a bullish engulfing yesterday. We've wicked down today, but it is pushing back up. So if we closed above this candle today, then we're looking more bullish. But that's just my opinions. You know, this isn't exact science. Crypto is such a new market that, you know, a lot of it is not. I don't really want to say guesswork, but predicting lows. Like I'd say Bitcoin with its, you know, the historic, the age of the cryptocurrency, how long it's been around, you are able to predict it slightly more rationally because the technicals apply more. But with the other ones, not quite so much. So maybe I'm slightly biased because I'm bullish on Cardano, but yeah, that's just my thoughts. He's saying it's going to go down to around 10 cents. This guy's got 778 subscribers. I've got 83, so perhaps he knows a bit more than me. But yeah, I'll leave that there for now. That's just what my thoughts on Cardano for now. I think it's looking like it's going to turn around soon. We've got the histogram moving into a positive direction. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that there for now. Thanks all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like. Any questions, please leave them in the box below. Thanks very much. Bye for now.